Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure tax loss harvesting with Wealthfront easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with tax loss harvesting on Wealthfront, first, log into your Wealthfront account. Ensure you have a taxable investment account set up. Navigate to the Invest section of your Wealthfront dashboard. Look for the option labeled Tax Loss Harvesting. Click on this option to view your current investments. Wealthfront automatically monitors your portfolio for tax loss harvesting opportunities. You can adjust your risk preferences if needed. To initiate tax loss harvesting, select the Harvest Losses button. Follow the prompts to specify which assets you want to sell. Review Wealthfront's suggested sales based on their analysis. Confirm your selections and proceed with the transactions. Wealthfront will reinvest the proceeds into similar asset classes. This helps maintain your investment strategy while utilizing tax losses. Check back regularly to identify new opportunities for tax loss harvesting. You will receive notifications when new opportunities arise. It's important to monitor your overall portfolio performance. Make adjustments as necessary to align with your financial goals. Tax loss harvesting can significantly impact your overall tax strategy. Familiarize yourself with the tax regulations to maximize your benefits. Consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized advice. Continue to refine your investment approach as your financial situation evolves. Utilizing Wealthfront's automated features makes tax loss harvesting easy and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.